When it comes to preparing foods, we have variety. So one of the methods we can use is healthy cooking style, meaning instead of boiling all the time, we can air fry your food, grilling. You can use little water when you're boiling, simply because we lose some of the nutrients because they're water soluble. Number 2, you can also add natural spices and herbs to enhance the taste and flavor. You can also reduce the intake or the use of processed foods simply because they have added sugars, additives and salt, which can also lead to harming the baby's GI system. For proper feeding, make sure the environment where the baby is feeding is less of any distractions. Then make sure that the food is a balanced diet, meaning it contains the 7 food groups. Then also ensure that you provide the meals, at least 3 main meals. Then snacks in between should be 2 to 3, depending on the baby's appetite. Then the portion is ensure that the baby is able to finish the amount of the food that you have provided, so that you can get the required amount of the nutrients for the baby's body to function well.